Believe it or not, there are several ways that we can get the make command to run inside of Visual Studio Code. But in this instance, we're going to be looking at a specific package called Cygwin, which will help run the make command inside of the Visual Studio Code terminal, or any Windows terminal for that matter. This shouldn't take long, so let's get to it. Before we get started, if you need to install Visual Studio Code, I have a 60-second video for you that you should be able to click in the description or the top right of this video. And now back to the video. The first step is going to be downloading the latest Cygwin installer, which I have a link for in the description, and the download link should be about halfway down the homepage. And the second step is going to be installing Cygwin. Feel free to reference my installation for directory folders and the mirror that I use for downloading the packages. The most important part though is when this screen pops up, you want to expand the all by clicking the plus icon, then expanding the Devel or development tab, and scroll until you find the make, which should be in alphabetical order. Select the latest version of make and then continue. You can always install additional packages of Cygwin in the future. Now go ahead and finish up the rest of the install and we'll be good to go. The final step is adding Cygwin to the path environment variable, which we can do by going to the start menu, typing environment, pressing enter, then opening edit environment variables, double-clicking path, and select browse to find your installation of Cygwin, and make sure you select the bin folder. Let's open up Visual Studio Code to verify that this works with a known good Makefile. Open the terminal, make sure that you're in the correct directory, enter make, and there you go. You can now develop faster with Makefiles in Visual Studio Code. And don't forget that this can work in a Windows terminal too. And that's everything I have for you. Don't forget to leave a like if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!